Are you in search for the best Android 12 custom ROM for your smartphone? Today I'm here to introduce the best Android 12 custom ROM that is going to transform your Android device into a Pixel 6. Now this is an Evolution X based on Android 12, which delivers a stock Pixel experience out of the box. Hey, what's up guys, KSQL here. Welcome back to the custom ROM video on this channel. Now in this video, I'm going to talk everything about Evolution X, the best Android 12 custom ROM that you have never come across. Let's get started. For those who don't know, Evolution X is a flashable custom ROM that brings a true pixel look to your Android device at a first glance. Now, this ROM is based on Android open source project, and that way every month you do receive a security updates just like One UI and Oxygen OS. Now Evolution X is maintained by some experienced developers who run under a community support and are meant to provide the stock pixel experience to non-pixel devices. Now this custom ROM can be installed on most of the compatible devices. Now anyway, so this is my Redmi K20 Pro aka Mi 9T Pro running Evolution X based on Android 12. And that being said, let's talk about the features of Evolution X. Let's start with the lock screen. The moment you turn on the screen, you would be greeted with the same lock screen you get to see on Pixel 6 devices. Now compared to Android 11, the lock screen has been revamped completely. Now, the time updater has moved to the center and uses a bold text that matches the Material You color theming. Now at the bottom of the lock screen, you can see the locked status of the device. Now it's time to talk about the Pixel launcher. This is a brand new Android 12 Pixel launcher that you would get. Now just like Android 11, swiping up from the bottom takes you to the app drawer where you get to see all of the installed applications. Now the search bar inside the app drawer lets you search more. For example, you can search for Wi-Fi and it shows everything right away over here. Apart from that, swiping to the right from the home screen takes you to the Google's feed where you get to see your personalized content. Now with Android 12, you get to see a brand new widgets. Now holding anywhere on the home screen, it brings a contextual menu. Now from here, you can choose to select a widgets option. Now these widgets are aligned in a vertical stack, and tapping on any app label shows the available widgets. Now with Android 12, you get a different style of widgets that adopt the Material You theming. Now as of now, only a Google application widgets are using the Material You theming and look fantastic. Now these widgets are proactive and animate when you place them on the home screen. You can also interact with these widgets without opening the corresponding application. Now, one of the core UI features of Android 12 is the Material You. Now, Material You is an updated version of Google Material Design Language. When they say Material You, you are the one who can customize the UI according to your liking. The core foundation of Material You relies on coloring the user interface, which is highly influenced by the wallpaper you apply to your home screen. Now, to customize your device with a Material You, head over to Settings, then choose Wallpaper and Style. You can also access this page from the home screen. As you can see, this is the current wallpaper that I have applied to the home and lock screen. Now based on this wallpaper, the Material Engine will pick a color that is easy to ice and applies to the whole system. Now this way, your control center, notifications, app icons, buttons, labels, system applications, Google Feed, widgets, background colors, search bar, everywhere you can see the Material You in action. It's like eye candy and the whole system looks incredible. Seriously guys, I never thought Google would reach this far in terms of UI, and hats off to all developers for making this possible. Now let me go ahead and set another wallpaper and see how Material You is going to change the layout of the system UI. Now as you can see, these are the Apexel 6 live wallpapers that I have installed, and these are super amazing. Now if you notice, whenever I try to pick the wallpaper, the Material Engine is picking the colors automatically. Now for now, let me set this wallpaper. Now as you can see, the colors are different now, but if you head over to the theming section, then under the wallpaper colors, you can pick the suggested colors. You can also enable the themed icons, that way the app icons will be themed with wallpaper colors. Now you can see everywhere Material You in action. With Android 12, the notifications and system controls are redesigned from scratch. Now everything looks super fancy, and these toggles are having a refreshed look and are designed to adapt the Material You. The notifications are neatly categorized and give a more control to an end user to do more. Now, one of the cool things about using a custom ROM is that it lets you customize more things. Now, inside the settings, you can see an option called the Evolver, now which lets you tweak the system according to your interests. For example, let's say I want to see my network speeds on the device. I can simply enable the network traffic indicator to the status bar, and that shows the upload and download speeds in real time. You can also add more options to the power menu, and by the way, this is a revamped power menu that you see in Android 12. Now, other features of Android 12 include a redesigned system applications, which include a settings, calculator, clock, and more. The all-new privacy dashboard shows you more information about the applications using a system permissions. Now, just like iOS, whenever the system microphone or camera is getting used by any application, it now shows the indicator on the status bar with yellow and green dots. Now it's time to talk about the performance. Now as of now, the Redmi K20 Pro performs much better than the stock MIUI 12.5 and runs the Evolution X Android 12 without any hiccups. Now overall, I would say Evolution X is a fantastic Android 12 custom ROM out there that is meant to deliver the true Pixel experience on your smartphone. Now if in case you want to install a Evolution X custom ROM on your smartphone, now I will leave a link in the description down below, so please check them out for detailed instructions. And that's pretty much it. Now if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Consider hitting the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in my next one.